Welcome to Azul International School's virtual English class. Today we'll be taking new vocabulary words. There are 7 new vocabulary words. For each word, we're gonna give you the definition, an example, and the part of speech. The first word is everywhere. Everywhere. The part of speech, meaning the category to which the word belongs to, whether it's an adverb, verb, noun, all of these I guess you took last year in your grammar classes. So everywhere is an adverb. It answers the where question. Where? Everywhere. What is the meaning of everywhere? All around. All around. For example, stars can be seen everywhere in the sky. So where can stars be seen? Everywhere. Everywhere is the vocabulary word. Everywhere. What does it mean? All around. So the stars can be seen everywhere in the sky. All around. See? Here it is spread. The stars can be seen everywhere. Or I looked for my pencil everywhere. I looked for it all around. So all around is everywhere. Everywhere means all around. The second word is live. Now here you can say live or live, depending on the part of speech, whether it's a verb or adjective. If it's a verb, you're going to say live. Live, adjective. Live means to be alive. So here it can be either a verb or adjective. There are some words that can come in different parts of speeches, by the way. Here it can be verb or adjective. Live means to be alive. For example, it would be interesting to live in outer space. It would be interesting to live, to be alive in outer space. Or you can say, I live in Jeddah. So live means to be alive. Machines. Machines. It is a noun. It means the things with moving parts. Things that have moving parts. To work is a machine. Okay, so like the refrigerator, it has moving parts to cool the food, for example. So the refrigerator is a machine. Also, the air conditioner is a machine. It has moving parts inside that makes it work. Okay? So the AC, the air conditioner, is a machine. Or a vacuum cleaner is a machine. So any machine has moving parts. Okay? That helps it, that makes it work. Example, machines help people do many different things. Now, machines makes our everyday life easy, right? Now you can easily cool the food in the refrigerator. You can clean your room using the vacuum cleaner. So it makes life easy. Machines help people do many different things. This is an example of a sentence. It helps people do many different things. This is machines. Move. Move. Move is to go from one place to another. From place to place. It's a verb. The part of speech is a verb. Move. Move. Go from place to place. Example. We helped our friends move into their new house. We helped our friends move to their new house. So they were in their old house. We helped them move, go from the old house to the new house, from place to place. Let's say the boys moved the sofa. They moved it. It was in one place, they moved it to another place. Here, the boy is moving the box. So move is to go from place to place. Let's say she moved to another country. This means she went from one country to the other, from place to place. Move. Woman. Woman is a lady, a female adult. If you remember in our story exploring space, who was the woman we were talking about? Eileen Collins, you remember? Eileen Collins, she was the first pilot woman. So the woman who lives across the street is very nice. A woman is a lady. So the woman who lives the other side of the street is very nice, or the woman is very kind. These are all examples of sentences. Woman is a noun, a lady, a female. Work. Work can be a noun or verb. Work is a job. If it's a verb, it's to do the job. To do the job is the verb. Noun, a job. So the meaning of work as a noun, a job. To do the job is the verb. Okay, so for example, my dad goes to work very early in the morning. So he goes to work very early in the morning. He goes to the job, to his job, very early in the morning. So work is a job. Here the teacher goes to the work. Here they are working on a project. Working, they are doing the project, work. So it can be the action, the verb, or it can be the work or the job, meaning a job. Like my dad goes to the work or to the job. So my dad goes to work very early in the morning. Goes to work. Work, his job, what he works as. Whether he's a doctor, whether he's an engineer. World. World is a noun. It is the earth, the planet Earth that we are living in. Example, the world we live in is a very large place. So the world, the earth, is very large. See here? There are people, there are countries in the planet Earth. World is the earth. What's the part of speech? Noun. The earth. World is the earth. Now let's quickly revise the vocabulary words once again. We said everywhere. What does it mean? All around. Move, to go from one place to the other. Woman, a lady. World, it is the earth that we're living in. Work, a job. Machines, we said machines are the things that have moving parts. Live, to be alive. Now open your readers and writers to page 14. Let's quickly go over the words that you have already done with your teacher. Pick a word from the box to finish each sentence. Write the word on the line. Everywhere, we said all around. Live, to be alive. Machines, the things that have moving parts. Move, to go from one place to another. Woman, a lady. Work, a job. World is the earth. Let's start with the first sentence. Once you're done with any word, remember to cross it out. I want to be the first to fly to the moon. I want to be the first what from the words here? The first woman. Can we say to be the first everywhere? No. Live? No, doesn't suit the sentence. Machines? Doesn't fit. Move? Woman. Woman is the right word. It also depends on the part of speech. That's why I'm telling you it's important to know the part of speech of each word. I said next to each word there is a part of speech, whether it's a verb, noun, adverb. Remember to memorize them. Write everything in your copybooks. I will fly in my spaceship. I will fly. What is the most suitable word? Everywhere. Everywhere. You ask yourself, I'll fly. Where? Everywhere. Okay, so here it needs an adverb. So look which word is the adverb. Is an adverb. Here everywhere is an adverb. Number 3. My ship will very fast in space. My ship will move. So the ship moves. It will move. Go from one place to place. Very fast in space. Number 4. I will on the moon. It could be live or work. You can say I will live on the moon or I will work on the moon. Okay? So both words can be used, either live or work, because they are verbs. Can be live or work. I cannot say I will move on the moon, because move also is a verb, but it doesn't fit the sentence. I will use to walk in space. I will use machines. The machines helps me do the job. It helps me do things. Okay, so I will use machines to walk in space. It helps me walk, so I will use the machines. Can I say I will use the world? No. Number 6. I want to on another planet someday. Here again, you can say live or work. Use a verb. I want to work or live on another planet someday. That looks very small from space. What looks very small from space? Remember, it was in the story when you said that astronauts look outside the window and they see the Earth miles and miles away. So the world looks very small from space. The world, which is the Earth. The last thing you'll be doing is the vocabulary activity. I want you to draw a picture of a moon and write 2 sentences, only 2 sentences. In these 2 sentences, choose any 2 vocabulary words for each sentence to complete your sentences. For each sentence, use 1 vocabulary word. Okay, that suits the picture, which is the moon. You will draw a picture, a moon, and write 2 sentences about it with only 2 vocabulary words. Thank you for listening.